everyone and welcome back. I thought it was time to pull out my design team package again and make some more lovely summery things with the summer 2022 kit from Lesley, who is Lesley's Crafts and Gifts. All her details in the description box, along with how to purchase this kit if you wish to do so. Please check out the unboxing video so that you get a glimpse of what everything you get in the kit. I am getting through this kit now, so you may not be able to understand what was actually in the kit, but I am basically using as much of the kit as possible with just little elements of here and there of what I have in my craft room. But I just wanted to showcase exactly what you could do with what is in the kit itself, including the box, if you remember. So I had this idea jump into my brain last night, and it's something that I've been wanting to make for quite a while. Yet I didn't have the correct supplies. And then I had another thought. I thought, do I actually need to have the correct supplies? Could I adapt this? And the answer is yes. So I want to share that with you now. This is actually a original tutorial by Christiane from Christiane's Crafty Adventures. She made this really cute, adorable summer tote, and it was made with vinyl. I don't have vinyl. I don't have clear vinyl. I've never owned it, can't get it. So it's been on my want to do list for quite a while, and I'm super excited that I'm able to do it and share this lovely summer little embellishments caddy little mini 3D project that is super easy. So let me talk you through the tutorial now. Right, so I've cut and scored all my pieces ready for making. I've cut and scored 2 because they are so simple and quick. You might get addicted to making lots of them. Like I said, I have adapted this because I am using the 6x6 paper pad that comes with the kit, and Christiane uses a piece of vinyl which is 8 1/4 in length. So therefore I've actually had to, adapt it so that we can make it using the 6x6 papers. I will link my measurements in the description box, but the principles are pretty much the same. So what we're going to need first is a base piece, and this is going to be 3 inches. No, it's not, sorry, scrap that. It's going to be 2.5 inches by 3 1/4, and you're going to score it on all 4 sides at 1/2 inch. And I actually used the cut off parts of the lollipops for this as well, so you could be making both at the same time. You're going to need 2 pieces for the handles. This is going to be 1 inch by 5 inches, and then you're going to score at 1/2 inch on the 1 inch side because that's going to fold over to make a nice sturdy handle. Then the actual bag piece itself, this would have been the 8 1/4 inch piece. So I've got a full 6 inch piece here, and I've cut it to 3 inches, and it is best to use paper that continues its pattern, or just use plain. I wouldn't use anything too busy or something that wouldn't be able to match up. And then you want to have an extra piece which you cut from, so this is the 6x6 pad. It would have been like this, and this is 3 inches by 2 3/4. And then I've just made a 1/2 inch mark. It's not fully scored, and I'm not going to be folding it. It's just so that I can attach it comfortably and line it up perfectly to create that 8 1/4 inch. Then we're going to need to get 2 pieces. They're the same. These are again 6 inches here by 1/2 inch, and then this one here is 2 3/4, and again I've just put a mark where that 1/2 inch is so that I can attach it. And as you can see, it is pattern paper, but because it's just a border strip, it's not going to be a massive deal if it doesn't follow through like it would do on the actual bag itself. So you're going to need to do 2 of those, and they're going to be the border strips for the bottom and the top. So let's pop it all together. So first I'm going to start by burnishing the base of my bag. Like so. And then I'm going to just cut into the score lines. Like so. And then I'm just going to pull these, or you could snip them away. I, for some reason, like to be reckless and just pull out them score lines. Like that. And then we want to attach our tabs inside to create a little tiny box. So I'm just going to use hot glue to do that. Sorry that I'm off camera at the minute. My glue gun won't reach. And I don't want to get all these hot glue strings over the papers as well. But I'm just applying hot glue to each tab, just a dot, like so. So we've created this small tray basically, and as you can see, I'm getting my hair off with my hot glue gun. If anyone could recommend one, that would be great. I'm just so tired of these glue strings. There just seems to be more than normal. Okay, I'm like everywhere, can't touch anything. Right, done. Now I'm going to move on to double-sided tape. I've only got this one at the minute. Theo keeps tearing away all my double-sided tape, which is quite the annoyance. So what I'm going to be doing is attaching double-sided tape to that score line, that 1/2 inch score line, so then I can attach my piece all together. Just line it up nice, like so. And then what I want to do is, because this isn't vinyl and bendy, I'm just going to rub my bone folder over it just to give it a little curve so that it will start to bend and form. Then what I'm going to do is apply to the inside of my bag. So this will be the outside of my bag, and this is going to be the inside of my bag. Some double-sided tape along the bottom, like so. And then I'm going to apply one to this edge here, and then I'm going to flip it over and apply one to the outside of the bag here. And that will fold over like so and create our bag. So let's put some tape on these parts. So this is my handle. I'm going to fold it over on that 1/2 inch score line. I'll add some tape. To both handles. Like so. And while we're here, I'm just going to attach these as well. So just going to pop a little bit of double-sided tape on that 1/2 inch square here, so that I can attach to the 6 inch piece, like that. And then I'm just going to flip it over and apply double-sided tape all the way to the back. Okay, so now we can start to put everything together. I'm going to take my little box piece and I'm going to remove all the double-sided tape from this tote bag side. So all the ones along the bottom and on the sides as well. I just find it easier to remove the tape prior than rather trying to do it when I can't. Now, the one where you've got the tape on the outside, that's the part where you need to start sticking first. And you just want to start somewhere in the middle, just eyeballing it on one of the sides, the longer sides of your base piece. And just by using your fingers and thumbs, just press it down onto the tape like so, and then we're just curving it around the base piece, and you can just push it in, and as you can see, you can lay it down on the table just flat to rub it on, and then moving it around to the front of the bag like so, pushing it down just to make it stick, and along the side, and then it will join up like so, and then you can push these pieces down together. You can get your fingers in there, give it a good press on all the sides. I'm using quite a weak double-sided tape. I'm still waiting for my new stuff to arrive, so that is as stuck as it can get. But if you are worried, you could just go along as well and use some wet glue along your double-sided tape. That'll give you a little bit of wiggle room if you do need to pick up and stuff. So here's our bag, how it's looking so far. I'm now going to add on the strips for the bottom and the top. So I'm just going to remove my double-sided tape, and again starting at the back, and I don't want to go right to where it was already overlapped. I just want to, again, around the bottom. Not only will this give it some decoration, but it also increases its sturdyability as well. Just making and pressing down extra hard there, because that is where our join is. If you are using bigger paper than 6 inches, then you won't have the problems of the joins. But this is just to showcase that you can still make these projects if you don't have the full size paper, or you know, the vinyl or something like that. I'm just going to do the same along the top. So I'm going to start a bit further away from the original join like so, and then just using the top as my guide. Like that. And there we have our summer tote starting to come together. And we're going to use the handles. So to do this, I'm going to take the double-sided tape off and then stick them down together. You will sort of end up with a little overhang. I don't know why this happens. I think maybe the paper just stretches a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but there's a tiniest little thing. I usually use that as my back piece, so that means I will use my bone folder to rub along that, and I want to give this a really, really good curl. So really manipulating the paper to bend. Also helps to get any bubbles out, if you've got any bubbles from sticking. And then these are going to bend, and they're going to turn like so to make handles. Like so. Like so. There we go. So I'm just going to bring back my hot glue. a little dab here and then attach my handle. Hope I'm still in frame a little bit. I'm going to hold on to it a little bit, and then I want to do the other side. I won't get angry at the glue strings. Oh, they're just so annoying. There we go. And then just to finish it off, I'm just going to get one of my cool little stamped images of this cool summer ready girl. And I'm just going to pop her on the bag, like so. And there we have our little summer tote bag. So I'm going to make the other one and then I'll show you them all ready. Summer tote bags, beach ready, ready for sending little gifts. So much room in there, like they are full on sturdy and super cute and adorable, and very addictive to make once you have all your pieces cut and scored and ready to go. How cute are those? So I mean, you could put some sweeties in for the kiddies, a little kiddie party if you're doing a little summer theme one. Whatever, you know, wherever your little mind takes you in your idea train, just follow it, have fun. And yeah, I absolutely love how cute these have turned out. Like I said, I will link the original video in the description box. There are quite a few little projects Christian was doing in the video, so again, more inspiration for you all. And I will see you on another video. Oh, before I go, just wanted to let you know that Lesley has a sign up for a newsletter. So if you are interested in a newsletter and being the first to be in the know, then please email her. Her email will be down below, along with all the other ways to reach her. If you wanted to get your hands on the kit, which is £30 plus P&P. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.